Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do a little fishing today in a creek that I previously fished in another video, and it really surprised me. I caught some big smallmouth, big largemouth, some yellow perch, some long-eared bluegill, and some creek chub. So a lot of different species and some good quality fish. So let's explore another section together. I'm like thigh deep right now, and I'm soaking wet. I haven't even gotten in the water. But we're coming up to what looks like a little section of creek here. This may be a tributary. I'm gonna check my map and see what we got. So I just got down to the tributary and I'm making my way down to the creek here. Small jig head. And we're gonna rig this guy up. There we go. Let's see if we can get a bite. There's the fish. What we have here. All right, this is how we started the last time here. We started with some panfish. First fish of the day. Nice long ear. There's a perch. Really pretty little perch here. First perch of the day. There's my second species of the day, yellow perch, a decent one. I just spotted my first smallmouth. Got him. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a largie. I thought he was a smallie. Okay, first bass. Regular size for this creek. Oh, oh, there's another bass. That's a nice bass. He came out from underneath that wood and smoked it. There's another one following him. Yep, you see him? I don't know if you can see him, but there's two bass here, both about this size. There's the third bass of the day. A little bit better. Hopefully they'll get bigger as I go up like last time. That's a nice bass. There we go. A good one. Oh, I doubt he'll come back now. I think I see him moving up under this. Got him! Got him! Oh, oh yeah! Oh, he came off again! That might have been the littler one. That's a good bass. Come here. You're not getting off this time. There's the biggest fish of the day. I just caught him underneath this wood pile. There's a few bass. I lost the biggest one though, unfortunately. That was my first cast up here, but let's see if we can get some more. Oh guys, I wasn't recording. Oh, I just hooked into a nice smallie. First smallie of the day. First smallie of the day, and look at that. That's a big one. All right, let's see if there's any more in this hole. Yep. Yep. Here's a little one. So I hadn't caught a smallie all day. I finally get to this new hole and a couple of them in there, including a good one. Oh my God, there's another smallie. Are you kidding me right now? Oh, he just came off. So I've been using these little 3-inch Keitechs in the bluegill flash color. And I'm actually taking about an inch or so off to make them about a 2-inch. Oh, it's a good fish. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's a nice smallie. Oh, there we go. That's a quality smallmouth for this creek. It's my third of the day, fourth that I've had hooked. Headed back to the car now, guys. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you next time.